Damn, I got like two different fucking trading views open. Dang, did I make a post today? I didn't even make a post today. Let's see. Can I? I don't know. I might not make a post today. Let's go to trading view. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe I don't see nothing right now. Long term, I like making a long term post. What's good, baby? I long term got 17 likes. Um, but Pepe, um, track performance and make bull market. Let's see. Create a portfolio and upload your trade history fast, simple, and seamless. Compare your performance in major indices with funds and strategy effective measure and poll. Analyze the top gainers and losers to uncover growth in your portfolio. What the hell is this? It's like trading you just be adding random shit. Like, what is this? They talking about portfolio betas. Like, I don't know, bro. What is this? Start in seconds. Create a portfolio, upload your trading history fast, simple, and seamless. Is it like TradeZilla or something? Like, is it gonna keep track of all my trades? Like, what does this mean? Risk free. Oh my god, I don't know what none of this means. QQQ. Like, bro, they just making shit up. I probably gotta stop. What is this? Like, I gotta learn what this mean, bro. I'm on a different page. Y'all probably can't see it. Let's look at Canada. But am I looking at? That's what I'm not looking. Like, what am I looking at? Yield curves, like. So you gain a 4% interest if you hold bonds. Let's see, yield curve. But what is this? Duration of bonds. I want strategy builder. It's like, man, I don't feel like you need to know all of this. Or stocks. What is this for today? What does this mean? Earnings per share growth. What does this mean? Y'all gotta look at what I'm looking at. We gonna see. Look at this. Y'all look at what I'm looking at. I need to start getting bigger hats, man. This shit. It's like my forehead still look big right here. I need to get this 5'8". 5'8". I got a big ass head. Like, let's see. Amazon. As y'all can see. Damn, so for the year, Apple ain't do good. That's crazy. This whole year, Apple ain't do good. Microsoft 12% for the year. Oh, Tesla. Nah, but Tesla would be a good buy right now though. Like, Tesla was negative 50. Like, even if we look at, like, let's look at Tesla. All right, let's just look at Tesla. Damn. So Tesla a good buy though, because it's not going below like. Yeah, Tesla might be a good buy. Damn, what the hell am I looking at? All right, let's. All right, so yeah, Tesla. Let's see. Let's go back to Tesla. I don't even look at Tesla, but let's just delete everything. What's that? Tesla. Let's see. All right, let's go to Tesla. I like what Tesla is at though. I even I like what Tesla is at. I'm not even going front. Like even if you go back from like what's this the 10th. Like if you go back even from here, like, look at this. Like here, it makes a lower low near here. Let's see. Turn this off. Boom. Like you see, Tesla made a low. My fault, my fault. Y'all can't even see Tesla. So Tesla, look, even if Tesla is low, it usually goes up for the year. Like Tesla is a good. Like I'm really trying to test. Like show y'all Tesla. Let me see. And Alvin, let's see. Let's see. Let's go to Tesla. So first of all, look at Tesla for the year. Like the best time I probably would have bought Tesla. Let's see. It's probably April because it breaks out, comes back, buy Tesla 20 here, and then you probably just hold it till like it doubles. You probably could have made double Tesla, and probably by December it's going to double. I'm not gonna, like if you bought this in April, like not even like yeah. Do you see how in April had so look so comes below here. You see June didn't want to buy, comes all the way back up to here November. So if you bought in what I just say like this is what long term is. So if you bought in June, let's say you bought in June, it doesn't go below here. You bought in June. Let's see, where is it? January. Let's just say you bought in. Let's just say March. Yeah, not June. All right, you bought in June, and then you hold to what? To December. So you hold for 6 months. You probably could have doubled your money, or even if you trade options, you probably could have 10x your money. So either or, I don't really know how options work. But Yeah, you see here, comes down to here. You just got to see how the market moves. Like, even if you don't like looking at, like, look at this. So boom, comes here, breaks, comes here. You probably still think sell. Comes here, sells, but it breaks off. You probably try to sell here, it doesn't work. Boom. Now you can go into buys. Breaks here, comes back down. You see here, it comes up. It breaks higher highs, comes back down. Doesn't want to go below the low. You buy, you hold, you don't. You see? You hold, and it comes right back to TP. Let's see, it goes to new highs, comes down. It's not breaking newer lows. You see how it's not breaking newer lows? It comes up. Like, just look at the market for what it is. Like, really just understand market structure. That's what I'm trying to figure out today. Just even on high time frame. Like, look, higher high, lower low. It's just coming down. It broke out here, comes down, comes here, doesn't want to come. So we can see at least price got to go from what? Here. All right, once it breaks here, it's coming to at least here, right? So, all right, look. So, like, boom, comes here. It doesn't, like, look, it doesn't want to break here. Doesn't want to break. So, by the time price comes around from here, so, if it comes here, breaks, retest, and then, break, retest, it comes from here to here. Look how much is this? And that's from September the 21st to October the 21st. Sometimes you just gotta figure stuff out. Like, even on a high time frame. Like, look how much fucking gains you can get. And that's why I think I'm starting to move to the higher time frame. Because even if you figure this out on the higher time frame, you could scale it to the lower time frame. I don't know where or when, but scale it to the lower time frame and watch it work. Just don't even try to just figure out structure and find what you can see. Like, find like a way. Even just go on a month and just find a way. This is what I tell. Like, if you really have to start from day, like, just find a way. Like, even if it is month, if you could figure something out on a month, weekly, daily, because you gotta remember, 95% of people don't make money off this. So my first obligation of making money off of this, and I'm gonna be honest, was when anything dips, and I know it's profitable, I just buy and hold for a year, and I know I will come up with money every time. That's the only way. That's the only profitable way I seen. Like, even day trading, you have your ups, you have your downs. I have my ups and my downs, but I noticed I only made money from swinging. So I'm like, okay, now I'm trying to transfer to being just a swinger because it's no point for me because I find the best luck swing trading. So if I got a hold for fucking 2 weeks, shit, so be it. If I got a hold for 6 months because I don't know how to trade day trading, so be it. At least I can make money. I even look at this. Comes up, boom. It's selling. It comes up. Now it's selling. Look, it breaks out, comes down. It breaks out, comes down. It breaks out, comes up, comes down, comes up, comes down. Breakout. We see he's buying now. Comes up, comes down, sell, comes up, sell, So all we see is sales from here. Look, comes up, comes down, sell, comes up, comes down, sell. But what do you think? It's the buy like right here, right? Because look, it broke as our last breakout. But even so, this is kind of a good buy. Because look how hard this holds. Like, look how hard this holds. So it rises up, comes down. Even so, look, this is an area where price just want to mitigate at. So even if you buy here, even though this is months to months, like so say it comes up, it comes back down, it comes up, then it comes back down. We might want to buy here and then just hold it to like right here. Like, all right, look at this. That's 72 points. Like, even so, just figure something out. Like, even on the look, even on the weeks, you can you could just break down market structure. Comes up, you can still be in the buy. It's that it don't trust me, it is sell. But when it comes break here, that's when so you got your buy bias. If it comes down here and it's holding this strong support, you can come here and get a little TP. Once it breaks down here, all right, look for sales. So come here, it comes here, so it comes here. We try to sell off, it doesn't work. We'll figure out why it doesn't work. So draw. So draw. Drops, comes out. Uh, uh, then hold from here. Then boom. All right, we're going back to buy bias. It comes right here. It is a nice buy. I don't know where this goes. Like, look, if it comes to at least here, like, so say if you do buy from like right, all right, it comes to in this area where it broke out at. You can buy right here, but I don't even know what a TPB, to be honest. This is a nasty TP. That's gonna be a nasty TP. Cause where the fuck would it go? Like, so say if you do, I don't even know if you a buy there. So, cause it's not holding. Like, you gotta see how this is holding. Comes down, comes up. You can see it's a sell. Oh my gosh, I don't want. I need a. Let's get a yellow one. Even if it's not, at least right here. Look how much that is. That's 20 points. Comes up, breaks high, comes up, breaks high, breaks this, comes up, breaks this. Now we're going into an uptrend. Comes up, comes down. You see how it broke here? holding, doesn't want to come. Boom, 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 boom. Till we figure out where will we enter. There's no definite entry, but all right, it comes all the way up to a boom, 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 boom. Tesla drops, boom, 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 boom. It comes up, comes down. As you can see, this shit is holding. I can see, all right, boom, it comes up, comes down. Comes up, comes down, comes up, holds. And you can see, pivot high, come here, come lower. This is a low, it's not breaking. So you probably can find something a little. So like, I would probably want to get a Tesla call, something right here, but nothing really lower than, nothing really too low. Something like this. No matter how long it takes, I would want something like this. Something like this. So it comes down, comes up, comes down, it breaks, sell, comes there. Something like that. But I'm gonna try to go over market structure on a high time frame. I really think this wants to go up. I'm not even trying to be on no funny shit. It's to a point I think market is just showing boom, 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 wants to break. I think market wants to break. Yeah, I think it wants to run out. This was an ultimate buy right here. breaks out. It doesn't want to break. As you can see, two zone. Clear signs. It wants to go up. Comes down. Comes up. Comes down. You could find something to push it to at least really past this. Once it comes past here, if it breaks past here, shit, it's going to here. It's going to here. That's what you want to see. As you see, look, because look, it's in a, it's upper. So you just follow the trend, bro. Uh, so all right, boom, it's upper. As you can see, analyze the chart. Boom, it goes in an uptrend. This is main. This is main support. It broke main support. If it wanted to drop, it would have dropped. Uh, it's holding very hard. Like I said, when the uptrend holds, just follow the trend, baby. So look, it comes down. You see how like it just come, boom, it come trying to hold. Like even, let's just rewind here. Nah, because this is not main support. So boom, you just gotta go off of what the market is giving you. Like right here, you probably don't. You probably gotta analyze something else. Like let's see. Go with the market is giving you. So all right, it comes down. See, it's mainly everything is thing. As you can see today, boom, it was trying to go down, it came back up, broke higher highs. Boom, it tried to break again, it couldn't break. So therefore, what I'm gonna try to see tomorrow, I want to see the. And watch this. What's tomorrow? What's tomorrow? No news. Let's see, Friday. Also tomorrow, Friday. Friday, it can probably drop hard, but if I'm just want to follow the trend, I just want to get in where I fit in. So this would have been a good entry right here. Something like this. Really, I got it going higher than this. But if it does break here, if it does break here, that's where I got it going, to be honest. Because it's not breaking here. It's not, it doesn't want to go. It just doesn't want to go. Like, boom, it goes higher, high, it breaks this high right here, as you can see. And it doesn't want to break this low. So what we try to do is once it comes past here, well, bam, at least here. At least here, that'd be a nice little profit. Or bring it to here. Boom. I like this one, to be honest. Because I really think it's going to break. I think it don't want to go down no more. I really don't believe it wants to go down. Let's look. All right, boom, boom. Like you can see, it comes up, it holds, it try to hold, but it breaks down. Comes here, don't even hold. Comes here again, holds, break, retest, try to break. Now it's time to go. It's time to go. So I really believe 30 is gonna fly. That's what I hopefully that's what I truly believe. 30 is gonna fly. It's gonna take off because it just don't want to break. It's showing me it doesn't want to break. At minimum, it has to come here at this purple line. At minimum, it has to come here because it's showing me boom, it doesn't want to break. Boom, it doesn't want to break. Boom, it's breaking higher highs. On a you see it's breaking highs. It comes here. It went lower, broke, comes here, doesn't break this one. Can enter from here to here, something around here. Figure out something on a lower time frame to stop your stop loss. So something like this. Like even if you don't want to take this, is very long. I could see price at least coming from here to here. Sometime tomorrow. I don't know. Like if tomorrow, if price range is in these areas, I would look for like just buys. Just strictly buys. Boom. Buy in this area. Like I'm just buying. Maybe it is gonna go high, but I feel like my bias is guaranteed. I want to buy in this area, so that's what I got for 30. Like you see, it breaks higher highs. It comes. This is my area. If it breaks this, I know it wants to runs up to at least here where it broke highs at. So if it it's just like market structure. It's basic market structure. Let's see. Basic market structure. Like boom, 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 break highs. And then now I said something. Now I said so doesn't just say this. All right, so boom. Uh, this is kind of like simple 1, 2, 3. Goes higher high, got a higher high. Doesn't want to break structure a little bit above. Comes somewhere right here. Guaranteed somewhat. Price could at least, like I said, price can come to at least somewhere to here. That's how I look at the market. And you see how simple that is? Like, look. So it comes here, boom, breaks high, boom, doesn't want to break this, boom, it can go up to here somewhat. So if it comes in this area, I'll probably look for some odds. Like, all right, let's see. Like, look. So it sells, all right, let's look at this. Alert to the eye. So boom, comes down, it's making highs, comes up. As you can see, even a 30, boom. It doesn't want to break this, but I know if it comes past here to here, look. So from here to here, that's why I said do this on high. So here to here, it's kind of guaranteed. Like once it goes past here, because it doesn't want to break there. Look at this. It go here to here, and then voila. So I got price. I at least got price going on. And look at fucking Nas. Look what it just did. Well, I knew Nas was gonna do this. Like, look, okay, so boom, 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 boom. The shit looking nasty. It goes down, goes lower, goes down, goes lower, goes lower, go higher. Okay. This is the lowest it been. So right here, look, you see the lower low. Look at this. Lower low, higher low, comes here. Try to enter, comes here. Try to enter. Look at the lowest it comes. Boom. I like this one right here. This is a good entry spot. This is a lot of good entry spots. We don't know per se, but this would have been. This is perfect right here. Um, this one was probably the perfect one right here. As you can see, if we look at the market for what it is, it comes up. Got a lot of space. You can enter. So we do consolidation day. So boom, boom, comes in. If anything, you could put price maybe. I would have liked it to come a little bit down, then come back up, and then probably like somewhere like right here, and then just wherever it stopped at, so somewhere like right here, and then just let it ride out. I would have liked that. To be in all honesty, this probably would have been perfect right here. This is clean. I try to get more down here, but you see, it's not really making higher highs. So boom, comes here. Then want to break low. So even if you like, so say if you want to sell, uh, it comes here, it comes back down again, breaks that, comes back, break this. So not this is really thing, but this probably would have been the best option to buy. But I wish this would have came down more. Like you see, sell, maybe buy. So you're going probably get some type of. You probably could have got some type of buy. In the beginning, you probably would have got some type of buy. You probably could have got some type of buy to here. I like that. Uh, really, I'll take it to here, somewhere like right here, or somewhere to here. That's guaranteed. But you just have to keep studying the market and see what it gives you. Like, let's look at gold. So gold, like I see, gold doesn't want to break here. Hopefully, it doesn't want to break. So this is where it made its higher high. I probably would have exit though. Like me, um, if I don't like it, like all right, boom, it breaks. The higher high, it breaks, comes here, makes high. Uh, where the fuck did I enter? Uh, maybe this was 15. Let's see. Okay, it comes. I don't really like this one. That shit is disgusting. Maybe this is probably the best one. Oh yeah. Cause look, overall, it is buy, and like I said, you just want to really just follow the trend. Jack boy incentives. Jack boy and you see how like 4 hour major support. So 4 hour, you just want like where you want price to go. So you could take profits here. Uh, you take profits here. Uh, probably hold it to here. Shit, I don't know. But I really think it wants to go up. I think it's time. I think it's time. Gold wants to come back to where it want to go. I think it is time. Like the best entry was probably maybe today. Like even go to 5 minute. This is probably like look at this entry right here. You probably so like even if you want to shorten it up, like look at that. try to see. Price really doesn't want to go down. So I'm seeing price really doesn't want to go down. Good places. I'm just saying good places to enter. Let's make this white consolidation day. This is a nice one right here too. So you buy right here. Buy. I keep stop loss. Like, yeah, a little bit. Probably, yeah. Like below, a little bit below this. Just in case any wickage happen. Like, this would be me right here. So this would have been my joint right here. Because it's not breaking. So, look at the bar. And then Nas. Let's see. You see how Nas just respected this shit? Comes up, goes higher, higher. Breaks. Comes down. You can find some type of higher high, higher high, higher high. It comes breaks higher high. Even if it comes back down to here, like just look. Like even if you don't enter here, say you don't enter here. So like just say if you want to, like I said, this one wouldn't buy the best entry. Maybe this was entering here. Look, this probably was the best entry right here. Like the most safe entry. Like that would have been another entry. You enter from here, then enter from here. That's a nice entry right there. Like I said, I'm trying to really understand the market for what it is. So I hopefully this can go crazy. I at least want price to come to here. Go. Like even if it wants to keep dropping, overall is buy. Don't get me wrong. But like I said, we at a spot where I just think price is gonna surge up, but we can't be wrong. But we can keep studying and studying and studying. We have to look at price for what it is. So like it comes up, comes down, comes down. You see it comes down, doesn't want to break here, drops, comes down, doesn't drop, breaks high, comes down, look for thing, buy. So then you want to like once it breaks here and comes down, like look at this. This is like a longer buy trend. So like yes, you can sell, but like look out if it just comes up and then comes back down. Look, so look at it. Just look. So all right, boom, boom, sell opportunity. It sells once it breaks up, comes back down, comes back down, comes past here, goes up, and look at that. Boom. Comes down, sell, 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 break up, go back, break up, doesn't want to break this, respect, goes up. Respect goes up. You see how much times you're respecting. Like sell. Alright, so boom. It sells this day. Comes down, it sells, breaks up, comes down, finds support, doesn't want to break support, comes up, breaks down, support, comes up. So like I said, comes up, comes down, doesn't want to break, can find something, serves to at least, comes up, boom, breaks here, comes down, breaks here again, comes up, breaks, comes, support, 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 comes, fake out, brings back up. Like sometimes it don't work all the time, but guaranteed you just have to follow structure for what it is. That's how you throw them. Like this is enough points. Like sometimes you gotta figure out where to eat. Like so, say this is one to sell. The boom breaks out. This over here comes up. Boom. I just have to see this fucking Nas that killed me today. This would have been a perfect buy, but once it came up, look at this. Doesn't really wants to break this area. As you can see, it doesn't want to break the area.